Divide your photo and paper into 4 sections. They should match in proportions. If you have a printed picture, fold it into 4 sections. Then, draw each folded section one by one. This makes a complex picture easier to handle, like a jigsaw puzzle coming together. You can also draw it out just using the dividing lines rather than fold it into 4. Focus on each section of the grid one by one. Look at your reference and draw what you see in each corresponding section on your paper's grid. Both methods achieve the same goal, simplifying your drawing process. Try both techniques and decide which one you find more comfortable and effective for your style. When drawing, start with one object, preferably the biggest one. It becomes your measuring tool. Focus on the biggest object. Begin by drawing the largest object in your scene. It'll help you judge proportions for everything else. Check negative shapes. Pay attention to the empty spaces around objects. These are the shapes between them. Simplify. No details. Avoid small details for now. Keep it simple by focusing on shapes and sizes. Use your eyes as a guide. Move from section to section, or focus on one at a time. Continuously measure using your eyes. Step back and take it all in. Periodically, look at the whole picture. Step back to see the overall progress. Remember, this method helps you simplify and create an accurate drawing.